In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear your Instagram search history for whatever reason you want. This is how you can do it. So I'm going to show it to you in two places, one in my computer and one in my phone. Now before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more tips like this. So without further ado, let's jump straight into my computer first and let me show you how you can clear your Instagram search history. Let's go. So now open up your Instagram account inside your computer before I show you to your phone. Now where you can delete the search history, you can do it in two places. So I'm going to show you to you both of them. Both also in phone and computer, you have the same option. Alright. So now when you're here, for computer it's very easy. Alright. Basically all you have to do is just go to search here, click on it, and then you can just click X and then it will disappear. For example, you click X on here, then it will clear your history. So it's very easy compared to in your phone, which I'm going to show you later. Another place where you can do it is click on more, go to settings, alright, and you can see here account center. So click on here account center, click on your information and permissions, go to search history, go to here Ken Ang WK, and you can see the search history here. So there's two places you can clear the history. One is in account center, another one in the Instagram app itself. Alright, so now I'm going to jump into my phone and let me show you how you can do it in these two places as well. Let's go. Open up your Instagram app and then you go to search icon at the bottom right. Click on the search bar at the top, click on it, and then you can see there's a few things that you can search and also cancel. So this is one way. It's exactly as what you see in the computer as well, just you can do it that way. Another place is that you can do it inside your settings. So you click on your profile, bottom right, then click on the three lines at the top right. Then when you go to your settings, you should be able to see your activity there. Click on your activity. You can scroll all the way down. You should be able to see recent searches. Click on it. And then you can see the amount of searches that you have done. Then you just have to click X or clear all. So this is one way, which is by the Instagram app itself. Another place that you can do is also same thing as computer, which is the account center. Go to account center. Scroll down, you should be able to see your information and permission. Click on that. And then you can see search history. You see? The search history is connected across all accounts. Search history. And then for example, you click on this Instagram page. Then you can see that the search history is here.